Hey, I mentioned in the last video that we were going to look at app supersedence, and this is where you can essentially take an existing installation of an application that you've deployed via Intune and then install a new version over the top of it. You supersede that application. Let's take a look at the portal. So from the Endpoint Manager Admin Center, straight down to apps, all apps, and then here we've got some applications that are already there. You can see I've got a Win32 version of 7-zip 1900 and then a MSI line of business app version of the 7-zip 1900. Now this is the one that's deployed to my devices, so I'm going to choose that and then show you that. So we've got installed 6, 2 failed, but meh. Device install status, we've got Jenny AY3X, which is a Windows 365 Cloud PC, and there is that computer there, and let's just check if it's got 7-zip installed. There is 7-zip. Just open it up and check the version. To verify that is 1900, all good. Okay, back to Admin Center. What we're going to do is supersede that app. We're going to create a new version of the application for a new version of 7-zip and then deploy that over the top of 1900. Let's give it a go. So we're going to choose Add and then choose the app type. Now in this case I need it to be a Windows 32 app because this is Win32 App Supersedence. So we'll choose Win32, and as you can see we need to use the Intune Win file format. That is something I explained in the last video, but we're going to do that right now to package that up. So let me just grab the window here, and you can see in the source folder that I've got, I have the file that I need to package up. So that's all good, and the output folder is there, so it's just a case of running the Intune Win app util and specifying the source folder, which will be the source of 2106. Setup file is this file here. The output folder is the one I pre-created just up here. No catalog, and all done. We've got the Intune Win file ready to go. So back up to Intune, select, and then we're going to choose the app package file. Let's grab that file. It's the 2106 output, Intune Win, all good. Choose next, and we'll give it a name of 7-zip 21.07. We need a description, we'll leave it as that for now. It's iGo, and just for clarity it is 2107, all good, and then choose next. So the install command is really simple. It's just the name of the file and then /s, and the uninstall command, nice and simple, is uninstall. So now we're going to scroll down to next. We're going to choose the operating system architecture as 64-bit because it is. The minimum OS, meh. No Windows 11 on there. I'm going to go with 20H2 for the sake of it, and then choose next. And detection rules, we need to check whether this application has installed correctly, so we'll manually configure those. And in my case, I really like using the uninstall executable because that's normally disappears. And we want to check the string version on this is equal to 2107. And we'll choose OK. And we'll choose next. And there's no dependencies on this, it will be installed regardless of any other applications being on there. We'll choose next. And this is where we've got supersedence. This is the point of this video, right? So it's possible through this concept to supersede a previous application. So if you already have 7-zip installed, for example 19.0, and we need to install the 21 version, well, we just replace it, right? So we specify that we're going to replace that application. So in the apps that this app will supersede, choose Add, choose this old version that we want to supersede, choose next. We want to uninstall the previous version rather than just over the top install it, and we want to uninstall the previous version rather than just install over the top, and we'll choose next. And so really it's a case of now just deploying this as required to all devices, and there really is nothing more to it. It's going to uninstall the old version and then install the new version. Very simple. If you choose to not uninstall, then it will just install over the top of the old version and just see what happens then. But, in most cases, it's a good idea to uninstall first. That's it. Thanks for watching.